everyone, my name is Shweta and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I obtained my parents' UK certificate for Canada immigration purposes, including the application process, required documents, delivery options, and my personal timeline. If you're applying for a Canadian work permit or permanent residence, this video may help you. Before we begin, let's quickly understand who needs a police certificate. For Canada immigration, you and your family members aged 18 or older may need to provide a police certificate for every country or territory where you lived for 6 or more consecutive months. Since my parents lived in the UK for 6 months, I needed to obtain a UK police certificate. Let me walk you through the process step by step. The step 1 is to create an account on the ACRO website. The registration link is available in the video description. Simply click on register, create your account and complete the registration process. Once your account is created, log in and continue with your application. Step 2 is to apply for police certificate and upload documents. After logging in, click on the police certificate button. You will then be asked what country does the applicant need the police certificate for. Since I was applying for Canada immigration, I selected Canada. Next, upload the required documents and provide the requested information. The application requires passport copy in JPEG or PNG format and the file size should be less than 3 MB. Applicant personal details, contact information, address history for the last 10 years and recent passport size photograph. Make sure all the information is accurate before proceeding. After completing all the sections, make the required payment and select your preferred delivery method. The available delivery options may include standard service, premium service, first class post or international standard post. Since I was applying from outside the UK, I selected the standard international post option. Once everything is complete, submit your application. Step 3 is after submitting the application, you can log into your account and verify that your police certificate application has been successfully submitted. You will see the application status displayed in your account. Step 4 is to receive your police certificate. I submitted my parents' application on August 1st. Since I selected the standard international post delivery option, we received the physical police certificate at my parents' home address on August 18th. So in my case, the complete process took approximately 17 days from submission to delivery. Please note that processing and delivery times may vary depending on your location and the delivery option selected. I hope this video helps anyone applying for a UK police certificate for Canada immigration. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.